I am a new president of Margang Kumdar, and yesterday they have taken illegal meeting as such. I don't know what it is, press conference, without informing me being a president. And I came to know afterwards in the evening that there was a press conference is taken, which is completely illegal, and the person who has spoken is fraud, false and fabricated statement he made. The one thing I want to tell you first is my agenda was given on 23rd to the collector, to the administrator of Kumdar and the scribe that today meeting I kept with 10-point agenda, where I clearly mentioned what are the points I will discuss. They were knowing, and he has informed them on Friday to the managing committee, that is attorney and treasurer, but still they have not come. They knowingly that this agenda I will highlight today, they made a press conference one day before opposing me. I got no objection of anybody. I want to be united, and it has to solve properly in the behalf of this Kumdar of Korwa, means Margang Kumdar, and safeguard the Kumdar. Not, I am not against. I am not from Margang to take some decision which is against Kumdar. I want to fight and bring the legal things the face to the shareholders. What they are doing, because they don't want me, because I know the facts, and I will expose them in the meeting or any time when it is required. Now, first thing is they don't have with him. My first point was presentation, discussion, statement of accounts. The budget is not there with him. How the Kumdar can go forward without budget? I asked the scribe about the budget. Budget is not prepared. Since April. It is, president is not required for making the budget. It is, he should have given and taken the approval for the budgets. Then I asked any NOCs pending, encroachment of the Margang Kumdar land. I asked, all my points are very clear. Discussion of pending complaints pertaining to Margang Kumdar, anything, objections are there, anything I want to discuss and bring to the people what are the facts. They must know, because yesterday they have taken and they misguided to all the shareholders, which they made a statement with that person who is franking their lottery with him. He made a fraud, false and fabricated statements. One statement he made that committee has proposed. First of all, he doesn't know how many committee members are there. There are 6 members, 3 are active, president, attorney and treasurer. Where the proposal is given, not a single name is there on the letter. And it's not a proposal. I can read it to tell you, as you have a, which is written in 2021 and submitted in 2026, inwarded to the administrator. That means he was knowing 3 years before that president will elected Savio and he will resign in 2026. He was knowing in 3 years before. Celestine. This is a letter from the Celestine given to administrator inward on 30th March 2026, stating, as you are aware that ex-president has given resignation of Margang Kumdar. Also, substitute president has submitted a letter stating that he is busy with his professional work and professional commitments. He is unable to take charge for the purpose of president of Margang Kumdar. This is what Celestine has given letter to the administrator. And I am further inform you that Sri Mervyn Leopold Rock Cruz is to be given a chance, not a propose. He has not proposed this anybody. Not a committee has proposed him. He said chance has to be given to the post of president of Margang. No, not a managing committee has proposed this. Only one person has given written that chance should be given. For whom? Celestine has said. This is a letter which I downloaded when I got it. If what he said, no shareholder has asked him the question, where is your proposal given to the to elect the president? No shareholder has asked yesterday. They should ask that Saiki of Lotoli. Where is Montero? Where is your proposal for that person who is Mervyn? Nobody asked. That's why I'm telling you, it is a false what they are doing. And sir, I'm telling you, when the proposal is given, there has to be a willingness letter from this Mervyn to the administrator. This procedure he doesn't know. Where is the willingness letter? Without willingness letter, nobody can give a charge or can propose anybody. How administrator or anybody or the governor or anybody will propose without his willingness? Who knows whether he is willing or he is not willing? Tomorrow he will write a letter that I am not willing. This I wanted to clear.
But your challenge, they say that you are also not properly.
They are accusing that you are not a proper, you don't have 5 shares. And
I am having 5 shares.
Wait. You have purchased 5 shares before the
During this term.
Yeah, sir.
Secondly, you have put some intervention in this shop matter.
Yeah,
Which
sir.
was
For
in
that, I am the shareholder, and it is not required for. It has to be passed for 6 months or 8 months because it is not elections. It is proposal by the government. List is not required for me because it is proposed for me. Proposal as a government has proposed me as a president. Let them see what my work, what work I am doing. Let them prove it that I am false, so I am doing any wrong to the for the Kumdat of Malgaon. I will prove them within 1 year that how much I can save the money from them and how much the society can dividend can be given. 300 rupees. I will see that next day the dividend will be 1,000 per person.
You are ready to work with the committee.
Of course, I am most welcome. I am welcome with the committee. I have no grudge with anybody. I am very friendly with all the shareholders and the committee. And what he mentioned that shop owners, when I went to ask this person, they have refused to give me detail because they are poor people who are in the shops who are doing. And case is filed on the dead person. That Celestine has filed a case on dead person because that I wanted to know. And I came to know they have paid all money, their rent to the bank. That's what I have intervened just to find out what is going on because nobody giving me the answer, correct answer. When I asked Skrion, he said, I am new, I don't have any records. Now who will give? Without intervening, how will I come to know what is going on in the Kumdat? That is my reason for knowing this thing. And shares, I am a shareholder, I am elected by the government, not for
Proposed by shareholders.
the shareholders, proposed by shareholders.
Like Celestine proposed you?
Celestine not proposed. Celestine has said that, informed me that Mervyn has to be given a charge of the post of President of Malgaon. He is not proposed. No proposed letter is given to Administrator of Kumdat. It is misguiding the all shareholders.
So are you aware there are some lands, no?
Of course, I am fighting over that.
People paddy fields.
All paddy fields are converted. Now it is one file is given to me, Mr. Ashish Fenalis. He is
Full shareholder of the company.
who is a shareholder of Kumdat and his area is
8,500.
7,449. Charter number 62, PT sheet 149. Some unknown person from Akbar A. Tambani, he is from where? He has become a owner of that property, Kumdat property,
Near Old Market.
near Old Market. Who has done this? I want to find out this. Because I want to find out this, they don't want me.
So with the earlier committee, this thing is happening?
Yeah, the Bole committee has done all this for fraud. This is a fraud, complete fraud.
2021, mention the date.
2021 it is. 28/12/2021. Who is this person? Akbar Tomba in Madgaon? This type of person I have not seen, heard in Kumdat, any Kumdat. This type of person who Tomba name. I am there in Kumdat for last 28 years. For many Kumdat, I was in Shini Kolwa, now I am elected.
Now you will do inquiry in this.
Of course I want to do inquiry about this. And also one person has sent me WhatsApp about opposite to collector building. That also was belonging to some holy water they put those people property itself. I want to find out that now whose property, who has taken, I don't know. Many calls are coming to me to find out.
Tata Patel.
What about a Tato? Who has given this property, Kumdat property? And one more thing, somebody has sent me a judgment order. Celestin has filed the case. At the end of judgment order, he withdraw the case. I'm having the judgment order, we withdraw the case. Why you withdraw? Why you are spending money on this type of cases? Putting false cases, afterwards you are withdrawing the cases?
Aladdin said about that.
Huh? So many problems are there.
The people who took the press conference yesterday, are
Yeah,
they,
without knowing me, without informing me.
no, are they in official capacity on the Kumdat committee?
I don't feel. I challenge the application he cannot made. The application what is made is in 2021. This is the Celestin 21 letter he is submitting in 26. You can make out what type person, what he want to do, I don't know. That's why he don't want me, because I will remove everything and I will safeguard the Kumdat. It's a challenge for anybody if I do anything wrong to the Madgaon Kumdat.
ते म्हणटा की ते म्हजे घर रेग्युलायज करपा लागून
तू
तुका
हेल्प करता म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंट आहे.
How I can do? There's a committee for that. I cannot do alone. I'm who, man? I'm just a president. President don't have a right over the anything. Tenancy cases, president cannot attend. It is the attorney who has to attend. Under section 7A, tenancy cases, attorney has to present. 18C, attorney has to present. Otherwise, advocate has to present. Any cases, attorney has to present, not a president. It's a false statement they're making and showing to shareholders. I don't have right. My thing is I want to see what is going on in this meeting in this Kumdat. President, I will see. Nobody can challenge me for this, what I am doing. If it is wrong, you tell me on the face that you are doing wrong. I am telling you what is going on is wrong. Why auditing is not done? My points are very clear. Why budget is not done? Who will explain me? When I asked the screener, he said, I am a new. I have given 10 points agenda where they read it and they bought this yesterday. Yeah. Or even bank balance or statement of accounts of State Bank of India. That huge amount is withdrawn. And I wanted data of why this is removed. This much around 45 lakhs, 41 lakhs is a deficit, is withdrawn. For what reason I just wanted to know. Nobody is giving answer. When I asked Spion, he says, I'm new, I don't know about when is withdrawn for what is. Now cameras are put. I want to know whether they have taken resolution. How much money is spent for these cameras? Somebody told me they have spent around more than 5 lakhs. For what? You can get it for 50,000. I have put my house for 50,000. I just want to find out now what is going on this Kumdat. Because I want to find out this, they don't want me.
They have a fear in mind that you will.
They are having fear in mind that I will remove everything and they will be caught. Because shareholder doesn't know anything. They just come, they put their hand and they go. Because they don't know these facts, what is going on, how much money is withdrawn, how much money was there. There are around 7 crores FDs. Nobody asks, dividend why they are not giving 300 only, why they are giving for shareholders. If this much money, they let them enjoy. Don't spend unnecessary money in the court cases, which you are putting false cases. Where that person, filing a case on that person, Malga Kumdat advocate, I don't know his name, he is from here only, but he has filed a case. And treasurer's wife is a Kumda advocate. How they can appoint his wife only and giving money? Somebody told me she's paid 10,000. I don't know, but I want to find out this. Why 10,000 has to pay for the advocate? For what reason? Per hearing 10,000. Advocates are taking 500 rupees. I was the attorney for Kumda of Sisini. I was attending personally without advocate. I have not charged 1 paisa. I was an attorney of Kolwa Kumda. I have not charged 1 paisa for any advocate cases. Margo cases I cannot attend because attorney is there. But why money is required? This much? 10,000 for advocate, for what reason? I want to find out. This is told by people. That is my money is spending for the advocates.
As a shareholder of Margam Kumda, we have a responsibility towards this Kumda. Yesterday, this gathering was called. We were not, as shareholders, we didn't receive any message. When I inquired the message, what we got to know is the message which was circulated was regarding zone. And when people came here, they were literally misled and something else was discussed. Now, if certain discussion had to happen, they should have called a general body and had a discussion there. That was not done. Second thing is regarding today's meeting. I want to ask the president as well as secretary, has the secretary issued a notice to all the members to attend this meeting? The law is very clear that members have to attend. If they don't attend, they have to give a reason why they didn't attend it. So far, secretary has not given any clarity on that. Neither the president has given clarity. The issue is that few people are running this Kumda for so many years, they are controlling Kumda for so many years, and what do they have to show? I had nothing personal against. I was helping the MLA's office to work with the Kumda to get NOCs. First, what NOCs? Beautification of only the front part of the shops. We are not touching inside shops. Tourism department had given funds from KTC till the court. KTC part is being beautified, this area is being beautified. This is being left. Why? Because Kumda is making a fuss to give NOC. Now, you really like as Margam, you enter, it is beautiful, suddenly there is an ugly site here and then again it's beautified. Who's taking responsibility for it? Second thing is, every Ganesh Chaturthi there is a mad crowd at Dambap Tadi because that place is very small. There can be an accident over there. So, people got together with the MLA, proposed a Visurgence point behind Sharda Classic restaurant. There's a river flowing, so there, this thing site was selected, WRD came, did inspection, everything was done. For the tender, we need an NOC. For now, nearly 1 year, he's making us cry for that NOC. Is it for us? Is it for individuals? Is it for the MLA? Is it for anybody? It's for the community, and we are not taking the land. It is only for development. It goes back to the Kumda. WRD was ready to clean the Nalla, build a sluice gate, build that Visurgence point. He doesn't want to give NOC. Now, what is the interest? What is the interest? If he asks for tomb, he says tomb is not there. Certain areas they say tomb is there, certain areas tomb is not there. If tombs are missing, then the Kumda has to be held accountable. How come tomb goes missing? If anybody comes in and goes out like this, what happened yesterday, obviously documents will go missing. This CCTV, secretary, you have access to CCTV? Have you access to the CCTV? Who has access to the CCTV? He's saying he doesn't have access. If he and president don't have access, then what is the CCTV doing here? So there is a lot of things going on. Again, none of us have anything personal against the office bearers. They are elected at the time of during election. We all spend our time to come here, and we elected. I and many others elected this committee. And what does this committee have? What has this committee done for us? President resigned and went. Why he is resigned and went? Why is the president resigned and went? Does anyone have explanation? It's not our waste of time. We are coming and electing a body, and then suddenly president decides to quit. And the substitute doesn't want to put. So why you put a substitute if he's too busy? Has the managing committee decision taken for did he come in the managing committee and say he doesn't want to take charge? Simply somebody writes a letter and saying that third person doesn't want to take charge. So things have to be clear, things have to be put in place. This is an intergenerational wealth. We want to pass it on to the next generation, not sell it off by not attending cases of this. And whatever assets are there, we want to develop those assets for the community. This is not the property, this is not our personal property. So all we request is we all have to be united. If anything has to be discussed, the other members have to come here and call for a general body. Let's discuss even president appointment, what is happening, let's discuss in the general body. And one thing as shareholders, we want to make it clear to the escrow on this. From now on, we expect you all to follow the law, send notice to anyone. If anybody not attending notice, we will see how they are, whether they are there or not. If they are not accepting the notice or they are not attending meetings, we will, as shareholders, we will take charge of it. But paperwork has to be done. Yesterday's notice was not sent, official notice was sent to the office bearers. No, intimation no, it should be paperwork, because tomorrow they will go to court and say that we never received anything. Will you give your SMS screenshot to us? So we don't want all this shortcut of SMS and WhatsApp thing and all. The notice for the managing committee meeting has to be put on paper. We will, if required, if people are not willing to attend, because 3 members are required, managing committee has 3 members. Meeting can only be held with president and 1 other member or both other members. Treasurer and secretary cannot hold a managing committee meeting. It has to be in presence of the president. And if anybody is not willing to work with the president, they should give a valid reason why. If he is doing something, if he is acting something wrong, or they should resign and leave. Because if they don't attend, we will go to court and ask for the resignation.
But as you said, they are elected members, and
Yeah.
right now the president is appointed.
So-
He's not elected, so they
Yes.
have an objection to that.
So many months there was no president. Did the committee
No, no.
decide to call a
My
general body
point
and
is,
say?
see, the ambiguity is that you're
No,
saying.
the ambiguity is
Wait.
very, very clear. You want me to read the article? I'll tell
No,
you.
no, wait. My question is simple. Y'all are saying somebody came here and did a meeting. Y'all are not confirming whether they are committee members or not.
We
So
don't
the-
know, no?
No, you don't know is, then who came in,
So
how did
because
they
we
get
never
access?
received-
How did they get access when
Exactly.
technically
Who has the
president,
keys?
secretary
Who has
are
the keys to
responsible
the-
for this?
Who has the keys to the?
Secretary is responsible.
So
Who has the
they-
keys to the?
So they broke in, you say?
They have the. If they are having the keys without admin, does this property belong to the?
My
secretary?
question, I had asked a question to the president earlier. Are they members?
Let me read Article 35. In the Kumdas, where it is not possible to select 3 qualified members, the managing committee shall be appointed by the Governor General based on the proposal of the administrator in the manner which he considers convenient. Were they able to appoint a president in so many months? The president was not there. Were we intimated to come for a general body and say, okay, give you a president post? Are we supposed to sit at home and wait for the 2 members and the secretary to decide the president when 1.5 year of term is remaining, half the term is remaining? Whose responsibility it is? So because they are not acting, we put a letter and we said we want somebody as this, and better to have someone from outside, because neutral person is a better person.
Why not just have elections for that post?
Exactly, that the managing committee has to tell, no? Why they didn't have election for the post?
But as shareholders, you can ask for a
You
election.
think he listens to us for one NOC? He takes months. They don't want to face, because first question they'll be asked in the meeting is why the president resigned. What is happening in the Kumda? This that the president went. This is the first time in so many years the president resigned, and this substitute doesn't want to take charge.
That means now fishy.